Let's find the pieces together. This puzzle got 1,000 problems. We gotta talk on and on and on and on and on and on. Why do we always argue about some petty shit? Come on, baby girl, I had enough.
YouTube, thank you so much for coming down to my frequency. Thank you so much for coming down to my dimension to watch this video. If you guys don't know me, this your boy P, Professor P, X, XA 2.0, and I'm back with another video, y'all. And in this video, we're gonna talk about why you should invest in a vision board. Alright, so let's get right into it, y'all. So look, first things first, right? Why you should invest in a vision board is because all millionaires do it. All millionaires have something that they want to accomplish in the future, in their room or in their house, or in their garage, wherever it is. Millionaires and successful people, they all have a vision board, okay? Or they have a picture taped on the wall or whatever, okay? But they all have a vision board. Alright, if you wake up in the rising and the first thing you do is look at the vision board and then you visualize what you want in the future, that is going to come. This is basic law of attraction. Your thoughts become your reality. Man or girl becomes what she or he thinks about. Okay, so you guys need to keep that in mind. So a vision board comes really handy in helping out your law of attraction or helping out your manifestation come into reality. Okay, a vision board is very beneficial, and I advise every single one of y'all to go ahead and get one. You guys might be asking, yo, XA, where did you even get that vision board? I actually got it from Amazon. If you go ahead and look into my description and you scroll all the way down, you guys will see some links. You guys will see vision board. Okay, you guys can click that link and it will take you to the same product that I bought. Okay, it's the same exact thing. It's the same vision board that I have right now. Okay, you guys should get one if you guys want to accomplish your goals. If you guys want to, do whatever, man. Get yourself a vision board because, okay, let's take a look at my vision board. Let's see what I have. So I have this 2020 CT4. By the way, I always see this car in the streets now. I always see a black version of this car. I have these Nike Air Jordan Retro 4s, pure money. You feel me? I have $10,000 in my bank account right there. I have 10,000 followers. Money loves me. I have some sticky notes. I have what I want to get. I want to get a 6-pack. You feel me? I have my music. I have everything, man. I have it in my vision board right here. And every single day when I wake up, I look at that. Every time I'm about to go to bed, I look at that. Every time I'm done, looking at the chart on Forex on the computer, and I'm about to go out the door, I see it. You feel me? My subconscious automatically picks it up. And every single day you look at this, every single day, your future, your reality is going to be just like how you have it on the vision board, man. I'm telling y'all, okay, your thoughts create your reality. So that's why I'm advising every single one of my subscribers to get this vision board, man. I want y'all to succeed, okay? I don't want anybody to fail. I want everybody to succeed. You feel me? So that's why I want y'all to go ahead and cop this vision board if you have the bread or if you have, extra change that you want to spare. Go ahead and get yourself some vision board. Go ahead and get yourself a vision board, man. Instead of, spending money on weed or instead of spending money on, materialistic shit or this and that, man. Go ahead and get yourself a fucking vision board, bro. Go and invest in yourself, bro. That's the only way you're going to fucking succeed, if you invest in yourself. Okay? And you getting a vision board is you investing in yourself 100%. Okay, you can literally cop a vision board. You guys don't even need to, have all these pictures. You can literally just do sticky notes and put in what you want to accomplish on the sticky notes and then stick it on that bitch, bro. Get yourself a vision board, okay? It is very essential. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to make this video about. Quick little video, I don't want to take too much of your time. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And also, don't forget to turn on notifications, okay? If you hit that notification button, you will be informed every single time I upload a video. And by the way, if you guys made it all the way towards the end of this video, okay, let me know if you guys have my notifications turned on or not. I'm just curious on who has it on or not. So yeah, that's all. Sending you guys lots of peace, love, and positivity. Take it. And this your boy P, Professor P, X, XA 2.0, signing out, y'all. Peace out. I love y'all.
You about some petty shit. Come on, baby girl, I had enough. On and on and on and on and on and on. 2 a.m. screaming. 5 p.m. she on my bed. She won't leave me. Who said loving me was easy?